How many times have you crashed this car?
I've put it into a couple of minor like fender benders, maybe like 3 or 4 times. I've gone off track. I jumped it once and cracked the windshield. That was fun.
And this car is making about 500 horsepower?
With the nitrous, it makes like 545. Without it, it's probably just under 400.
Okay. You pulled 100-mile-per-hour entries.
Probably.
All types of handbrake turns.
Oh yeah, all the stuff, all the drifting.
And the eBay spacers have lived.
Oh yes. Man, that notification is serious. Welcome back to the Thomas Miata YouTube channel. As you can tell, we got Stu here.
Stu's here.
What's up? Premium Fuel Mag.
Yes.
Check him out, his channel.
Well, the Miata's red now.
I never gave a full explanation in my YouTube video about this. Essentially what we have is 2 cars welded into one.
I can give him the overview. So if you guys watched the last video, you pretty much saw him putting the finishing touches on this thing, and it looks really cosmetic what he did, you know, like just stick the fenders and the rear end on. So all this is all one chunk. Doesn't look that pretty, but this is like the part that matters the least. I don't know if we can see it.
In the
Frame rails, is that it?
Right here.
There he goes. So he's pointing at it. So those frame rails were all jacked up, and Thomas chopped everything off from there, boxed it in and beefed it up.
I just came up with an idea.
Yes.
I have a fun small project that will only take us about 2 hours. My upper control arm. It's under the car currently, just on the ground. Hey look, organized chaos. I know where all my crap is. This is a Danny George arm that I reinforced because it broke. And now I broke it again. Basically, I just need to beat this thing straight and weld it back together.
Okay.
Alignment be damned.
Let's see the damage on that thing. I can kind of tell where it's jacked up, but I'd point out to the folks that don't know.
So we can compare it to this side right here.
This should go straight down, but it's all the way over.
Which is a fairly easy problem to solve, I think, with a vise and a hammer. And I'll be able to reuse the bushing and everything, I'm pretty sure.
Cool, let's do it.
Yeah, shout out to Snowvet. Came through at the Gambler, helped me get parts for this to get this thing on the trailer. We're in the middle of attempting to save this. I think we can do it. Obviously the metal will be severely fatigued after we're done in a couple of key spots, but it's where it's tearing anyway, so I can get in there with the welder and reinforce that to the point of my satisfaction. This is handmade. There's only 1 set of these. Guys, this thing looks fantastic. We've done some miracle work there. Don't mind the bend, it'll be fine. Good enough, I think. I plated the inside. We're gonna send it. Next step, we will probably start removing parts from the knuckle, see about the axle and the wheel bearing, all that stuff. I'll have to run over to Justin's house for that. We got Chris in the background. What's up, Chris?
Shit, bud. What's up, Jude?
Chris came over to say hi and hang out. Stu, cameraman. There he is.
All right, update, what's happening here?
So we are in the process of removing the hub, my adapter hub. I'll put this in a press over at Justin's house, then we'll try to press this out. I may have to cut the nose of this off though. We'll
It's all mushroomed out in there.
Yeah, but I have a grinder, I know how to use it. We're over here at Justin's. Stu, what's good? Justin's working the press. Check it out.
Or this might hit me in the nuts and I'm gonna cry.
It's not good.
This feels scary.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hide behind Justin, let his body take the damage.
Thank you.
Stu's out. See y'all.
Bye, Stu.
Adios.
Bye, Justin.
See you later, guy.
Let me know next day we're working on the car. I'll be back.
Okay, guys. I just want to leave off here that this 12-ton 3-gear puller from Harbor Freight was able to push this out.